Welcome back. You've seen fast Ferraris. You've seen luxurious motorhomes, but what if I told you there's now a machine that combines both? No, it's not a dream. What we're looking at might just be the boldest leap in automotive history. At first glance, it looks like something out of a sci-fi film. Sleek lines, unmistakable Ferrari curves, a low-slung front like a predator ready to pounce, and then, the back opens up into a full living suite. What is this? Is it a racing car? A concept design, or maybe something built for a billionaire to take on a cross-continental road trip? The world held its breath when the veil was lifted. It's not just a concept. It's the real thing, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Camper Truck. Yes, Ferrari finally broke the mold. This isn't your average RV. This is a high-performance, street-legal, turbocharged luxury palace on wheels. The engine growls like a beast, yet inside you're treated to a level of refinement you'd expect in a 5-star suite. So why did Ferrari do it? What powers it? What's inside it? And most importantly, how much does this fantasy on wheels actually cost? Let's unlock the mystery and explore every jaw-dropping detail together. Let's start with the question everyone's asking: why did Ferrari enter the motorhome market? The answer is ambition. The market for high-end recreational vehicles has exploded over the last 5 years. Ultra-wealthy adventure seekers want more than just sports cars, they want mobility, independence, and comfort. And no brand stands for elite, uncompromising performance quite like Ferrari. So they partnered with a European luxury RV innovator and redefined the rules. At its core, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is based on a custom-built aluminum carbon chassis, lightweight, rigid, and incredibly responsive. It's not built on a van or a commercial truck like typical RVs. Instead, it uses an extended wheelbase developed specifically for this model, ensuring low ground clearance and race-inspired handling, despite its size. Under the hood, a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 derived from Ferrari's Portofino, delivering over 620 horsepower. That's right, this motorhome does 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Ferrari didn't want a slow-moving luxury box. They wanted a home that moves like a Ferrari. And guess what? It does. Let's talk about design. The front looks like a Ferrari supercar with its signature grille, aggressive headlights, and sculpted aerodynamics. The body transitions into a sleek cabin module, fully insulated, aerodynamic, and styled with Ferrari's signature curves. The red paint isn't just red. It's Rosso Casa, Ferrari's exclusive blend, paired with matte black accents and carbon fiber inserts. The sides, smooth, with deployable side mirrors, recessed automatic steps, and flush windows with smart tinting. The rear features vertical taillights, an electronic liftgate, and a built-in spoiler. The exhaust system isn't hidden, it roars from a quad-pipe setup, tuned to give off that signature Ferrari thunder even when parked. Now, let's move inside. Step into the cabin and you're immediately greeted by Italian leather, carbon fiber trims, and brushed aluminum switches. The cockpit resembles a supercar more than an RV. Driver and passenger seats are racing-style buckets, heated, ventilated, and fully electric with massage functions. A panoramic dashboard stretches across the front, powered by Ferrari's new UX-OS, which integrates navigation, drive mode, smart RV systems, and even remote satellite monitoring. The steering wheel, flat-bottomed, carbon fiber wrapped, with integrated haptics and paddle shifters. Even though this RV drives like a grand tourer, Ferrari kept the spirit of a track car alive. Behind the cockpit is the living area, and this is where things get wild. The living suite opens into a lounge area with a convertible Italian leather U-sofa, a 50-inch OLED display, and surround sound developed in partnership with Bang & Olufsen. Lighting is fully ambient and customizable, controlled by voice or touchscreen. A powered skylight stretches overhead, giving natural light and starlit views at night. The kitchen is compact but chef-level. You get a 2-burner induction stove, hidden microwave convection oven, smart refrigerator, espresso machine, and a fold-out dining table made of walnut and stainless steel. All cabinetry is soft close, magnetic lock, and custom crafted in Modena. The bathroom, yes, it has one, and it's not cramped. It's fitted with a rainfall shower, ceramic sink, touchless toilet, and heated flooring. Every inch screams luxury. Toward the rear is the bedroom, complete with a queen-sized floating bed, hidden storage, integrated air purifier, and blackout privacy glass. The walls are soundproofed. The entire rear wall opens up via a sliding panel, revealing an extendable deck, yes, a private patio with railing, LED lighting, and room for 2 lounge chairs. Imagine parking near a cliff edge in Italy or a lake in Switzerland. That's the lifestyle this Ferrari motorhome promises. On the technology side, the vehicle comes with 5G satellite internet, a solar roof that generates up to 1800W, a 20 kWh battery bank, and a 240 volts inverter system. Off-grid for 3 days. Easy. Climate control is fully automatic with zone systems. You can monitor everything from water levels to power usage through a mobile app. And for added security, the RV includes fingerprint entry, onboard CCTV, and even a silent alarm system. Now let's talk about driving experience. The Ferrari Motorhome features 4 drive modes: Eco, Touring, Sport, and Track. In Track mode, the suspension stiffens, the exhaust opens up, and the acceleration is sharper than anything you've ever felt in a living space. Adaptive air suspension ensures stability, while the torque vectoring system helps corner like no RV should ever be able to. Rear-wheel steering makes tight spots manageable, and all this is monitored by Ferrari's own AI-assisted driving assistant. And the price? You'll need deep pockets. Starting at $1.4 million USD, with fully loaded versions crossing $2 million, this is a billionaire's toy. But exclusivity is the name of the game. Ferrari is only producing 99 units worldwide. Each will be built to order, with personalization options from Ferrari's Atelier RV program. Yes, you can choose the stitching, materials, exterior finish, and even dashboard layouts. Buyers also get a concierge package, a dedicated Ferrari assistant to help with logistics, service, and updates for 5 years. Ferrari also plans track day camping events, exclusive retreats where Ferrari motorhome owners can park trackside and enjoy the races from the comfort of their mobile palace. So who is this for? Celebrities, tech billionaires, retired F1 racers, and the ultra-rich who want it all. But even if you can't afford one, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a symbol of what's possible when performance, design, and imagination collide. Whether you're dreaming of driving one or just drooling over the details, one thing's for sure, Ferrari just changed the game. For decades, motorhomes have been built for comfort, not for speed or style. But this machine, this is the future. And if other carmakers weren't paying attention before, they definitely are now. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Camper Truck. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and let us know in the comments, would you actually live in a Ferrari motorhome? Or would you rather stick to the classic sports cars? Don't forget to subscribe to Car Flair for more exclusive looks at the world's rarest, wildest, and most luxurious vehicles. From camper vans to exotic motorhomes, we bring you inside the machines that most people only dream of. Your support keeps us rolling, so hit that bell icon too, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your dreams in high gear. This is Car Flair, where cars meet imagination.